Hey guys, we're going to walk through the excavator base assembly, and we're looking for a weird thing here. We're looking for the X distance from the origin. So that is something that we have to assemble everything and then get to that moment. So remember, we're prepping for an exam here. So I clicked on the link and that brought me here to Onshape, and I wasn't signed in, so let me sign in. And then if you are signed in, you're going to see this make a copy to edit. You're going to do this owned by me and then hit copy here. Okay, so now we have our new piece. Now they've already created all the parts for us. All we're doing is working to assemble them. So I'm going to go into insert. They already gave us the base. So we'll do the boom, the bucket, the shaft, the sleeve, the stick. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to bring my mouse back here and hit check. So it kind of snaps it into place. And then zoom out. So everything's kind of already where it belongs. The one thing you'll see is this is embedded in here, and when we go to cut later to do stuff, it doesn't work embedded. So I'm going to go ahead and holding down shift, I'm going to select 3 items. So while shift is there, it means that I'm doing all of them, and then I can move them all together. So it kind of keeps everything where it belongs. I'll go to front. And the first thing we're going to do is work on this piston here. So I'm going to go to section view and click, whoop, and it did something weird. Okay, hold on, get rid of these. Okay, so I'm going to just click on the green part. It did that. That was just from something I had set earlier, so sorry about that. Okay, that's a good section view. I'm going to hit check. We're going to make a slider mate with this. So we are going to click, I'm zooming in here, and we're going here and here. And I'm not done. I'm going to go to, instead of offset, this thing called limits. On this side, I'm going to say 0, but on the top, the minimum, I'm going to say 0.85. And the reason I'm doing 0.85 is because it was like 850 millimeters, but we're in meters, blah, 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 whatever. If you do the 0.85, it should work out correctly. So, oops, sorry, negative. Whoa, look at me acting like I'm so cool. And then, okay. So now if I hit play, it should go just from that part back. So that looks good. So I can hit check. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go to turn off section view. Go to isometric and we're back to where we started. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to copy, copy this piece here. It's weird not having that corner. Okay, so we're going to copy this. So I am going to draw a rectangle from left to right, from top to bottom. And by doing that, it selects both pieces and the slider mate. I'm going to hit Control. I got to move this over so you can see. Sorry. I forgot I was doing this side. Control C. And then I'm going to go ahead and kind of give it the front view here. And I'm going to put my mouse, hover my mouse here, Control V. And then hover my mouse up here, Control V. So the fact that where your mouse is where it's going to plant it is important. Okay, now we're going to put things together and we're going to be using the Revolute Mate. To do this, I find that it helps to use the middle of each column and hole, and sometimes that can be difficult. So if you kind of move around, things pop. If you get to the cylinder and you see these 3 dots, then hold down Shift. Now it'll stay with those 3 dots and you can pick the middle one. So I did that. Same thing up here. I'm looking for those 3 dots, hold down Shift, and now I can get to the middle and we're good. Hit the check mark. Go here, the 3 dots, hold down Shift, go to the middle, click. Get the 3 dots, hold down Shift, go to the middle, click. Hit the green check. Go to the 3, make sure the 3 dots are showing, hold down the Shift, go to the middle, Click. Go to the three dots, hold down shift, go to the middle, click. Hit check. All right, so now we're going to do the 3 pistons, right? So we're going to start with this one here. Let's see. So again, go here, get the 3 dots, hold down shift, go to the middle, click. Go here. Ooh, that's a terrible angle. Always rotate so you can see the 3 dots. You're looking for those 3 dots. See how like it's there, but it's not? So hold down shift, go to the middle, hit solve. So when you do that, it should pop to where you want it. Hit check. Okay, zoom in, get the 3 dots, hold down shift, go to the middle, click. Get the 3 dots, hold down shift, go to the middle, solve, check. It's good, right? Okay, same thing here. Get the 3 dots, hold down shift, go to the middle, click. This one may have been reversed. It's not a big deal. So I'm going to do that. Solve, which will bring that back out. Hit check. Don't forget to hit check. I've done it before. You're just going to have it like bop to the wrong place. Let's see. Get the 3 dots. Hold down shift, go to the middle. Get the 3 dots, hold down shift, go to the middle. Solve, check. Okay, we're getting good now. Isometric. Okay, so now we got this last one here. I'm not sure it matters. Okay, so we're going to go here, hold down shift, go to the middle. Here, hold down shift, go to the middle. It's okay when it does that. It's just easier if you make sure that I solved and I checked. I came in here, hold down shift, go to the middle, and then hold down shift, go to the middle. Solve, check. Looks good. So I can X out of this. We've done everything we need to. The origin is where it belongs. So as long as you didn't delete that, you're in good shape. If you did, there might be a problem with your numbers later. But that gives you this shape so far. Now, if you look at the PDF on this, we did that. We put it all together. I'm zooming down. And then this is what they want. They want the little bottom part of the bucket to be the same plane as the bottom of this. And they want this to be horizontal. Okay, so let's go back to our assembly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make parallel the top of this part with this, because those now they're both, and oh, I'm going to hit solve and then check. So see how that does the now it is horizontal. If I do this, you'll see that line is horizontal because it matched this line, which are parallel, right? We know what parallel is. Okay, so now we're going to go here. Parallel means it uses the same slope, by the way, for those of you who don't know. We're going to use something called planar. And what that means is it's on the same plane. So I'm going to pick the bottom of this tread, because that's what we want. And we want the bottom of the bucket. Now, if your bucket is in a weird spot, try to move it first to get it to the right spot, because sometimes it won't connect if it's in a weird spot. Okay. So now we can go here, isometric, and we are officially done with the build and like creating what we need for the drawing. Now, for me, what I'm looking for is for you to check those numbers. So if you look at the question, we're looking for what is the X distance, okay? And these are the numbers we have to work with. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to display mass properties and draw a square starting left top to bottom right. And that's going to give you the mass properties, but this is your X. Okay, so think about that. Like on the test, they're going to ask you for this X after you do all the work with the technical drawing. That's what you're looking for. So 4.075, 4.705, click it, go on to the next question. Now, for me, for Canvas, what I want you to do, take a screenshot of this and give me this so I know I can see the 4.075 and I know everything's good. Okay? You got it.